understanding? Correct. And it is called the road repair job, and they're going to do a reading for you. So give them a hand. Here they are.
I want to welcome you guys to sunny Florida for this important meeting of the American Construction and Demolition Corporation, ACDC for short. We build them up, we knock them down. We dig both ways. I'm Joe Green. Some people call me Mean Joe Green because of some football player for the Steelers. But really, I'm a pussycat. You don't have to worry about me. We have with us today a big Pirates fan, I have heard, Pothole Patty from Pittsburgh.
Thanks, Mean Joe. I'm just happy to be here with you guys in the sun.
We have with us from our Detroit, Michigan division, Cement Sue. Tell us, Sue, since you're from Detroit, do you happen to know where Jimmy Hoffa is buried?
New Jersey, Black Horse Pike, exit 3.
What? Oh my God, you know?
Hey, I don't know nothing about that. A girl hears things, you know.
Right.
No problem, Sue. We know how rumors get around. From Chicago, we have a legend in the construction business, Phil Dirt.
Thanks. Thanks, Mean Joe. And let me say that I hope they have good beer here and good whiskey here in Bonita Springs.
We sure do. Try the Island House on Bonita Beach Road. They also have great entertainment. Every other Friday, Johnny Carib plays, and he puts on a great show.
Well, Joe, give us the big picture. Why'd you call us together? What are we trying to accomplish here?
We won the bid for the road repair job for Bonita Beach Road from the curve at Doc's Restaurant to Route 41. This is a really big job for the ACDC company, and we want to do it right. You three are here because you are the best the company has at what you do. Now, we have three major things we want to do with this road repair job. Number one is to inconvenience the largest number of people possible.
Okay. Yeah.
Number two is to inconvenience them for the longest period of time.
That's right. That's what we do.
Number two on them, yeah.
Okay, Phil.
Yeah, way to go. Way to
And
go.
number three, the company is always watching out for the bottom line, so we have to do this for no cost to the company. That's why we called you together. We need your ideas on how to do it right.
You need ideas? When does the job start?
1 month from now.
Okay, as usual, 2 to 3 weeks before the job starts, we put up Bob's barricades. We make both sides of the divided highway, one lane, 15 miles per hour. When people crawl to the end of the orange barrels and see that no one is doing any work on any part of the road, they get pissed off big time. A big inconvenience to lots of people.
Thanks. That's a classic.
There are a lot of businesses on that stretch of road we'll have to deal with.
And they will have to deal with us.
A couple of restaurants there might be good for a free beer now and then, especially if we park a bulldozer in front of the entrance to their parking lot.
Yeah.
Good one.
I drove that road yesterday. One of those places is called Masturbate and Tackle. Well, I had supper at the North Naples Country Club last night. I heard Masturbate and Tackle. Guy makes 75% of his money selling t-shirts with the business name on them. Tell me, who would buy a t-shirt with Masturbate and Tackle printed on it?
Hey, what are you talking about? They make good gag gifts.
Oh, yeah, sorry, Joe. I could see that shirt would be a real laugh at some of the parties I've been to.
Okay, let's do the big jobs on Saturdays and Sundays. That jams things up. Lots of cars on the road, lots of delays.
Oh, yeah.
No problem. We can schedule that.
Here's a good one. We always hire a relative. of a local politician to stand around and hold a sign at one end of the construction. The sign says stop on one side and slow on the other.
At the other end, we hire another politician's relative to stand and hold another sign just like that.
So, what we do is coordinate. Every now and then, both relatives show the stop. That holds up traffic for miles. Since the drivers can't see the other side, they don't know why. They get so mad, I've seen some guys get out and kick their tires in frustration.
All right.
Hey, here's even a better one. There's a shopping center on Bonita Beach Road with a public supermarket. Everybody shops there. Lots of supermarket business comes off the Bonita Beach Road entrance. We make the road no left turn, going east from 4 to 5 in the afternoon. That's when most people shop. Then they have to boogie all the way up to Ace Hardware and make a U-E. Then we make no right turn from 5 to 6.
Oh, yeah.
We get them coming and going.
Nice going, Phil.
Ah, shucks, boss. That's why you pay me the big bucks.
All right. Lots of great ideas here. I think we have enough to uphold our reputation, but not so much that we will get arrested.
Hey, thanks, Joe.
Great meeting.
Let's head for the Island House. The beer is on me. You guys can Uber to the airport. I hear we have a big job coming up in Atlanta. They're going to need your great ideas there. Let's do a good job. Make the big bucks and inconvenience a lot of people. Meeting dismissed.
Frank wants us to move these things over here to the left.